allow me to speak in English for 1 minute. First and foremost, I want to congratulate my brother, Dr. Arege, for your new appointment as the CEC Sports. You are welcome. I expect nothing less than the services to our people. Karibu. Na kuna mtu amesema hapa ni kazi tu. Kwa hivyo daktari, I know many people approached you to not to pick this appointment. I know many people approached you. But I'm happy you know what we stand for. Because majority of those ones who are talking to you, they were failures who were disgrace to the society, not only the Kisii, but even as Omogetutu. For you, because you believe nothing else than work, not in accumulation of resources as they wanted to do, you now work for the people of Kisii. Daktari, I'm happy again today to say, and many speakers have said it, you know, we came in on a zero tolerance towards corruption, and we have not run away from that. There is no, as always I put it, there is no angel who will fall from heaven to fix our current situation. We must be angels of our own time. And if there is an angel that I believe that who has come in to assist me to fix Kisii, is you, Dr. Arege. Dr. Arege, I know you have been a lecturer at the university and an author. I want to see that one, that reflection now in Kisii. I know that you ran as a member of parliament in Kitutu Church North some time back. You know, then you were away in the city. I brought you nearer. If you have an ambition again to run, you have all the time to mingle with the people, not necessarily the Kitutu, but other people in the larger Kisii. I've not brought, because there is that tendency, you know, people they're saying, oh, Simba has brought Arege to run as what? His running mate has brought Arege to go for the senatorial position. Oh, Simba has brought Arege to remove Japhet Nyakundi. No, relax, don't panic. This gentleman will work. Therefore, daktari, you have an opportunity. You know, siku zile zingine ulikuwa Nairobi, ulikuwa unakuja shilingi 20,000. Now, you will be forced to be buying tea in those mikahawas in Bogetutu, from Mara and all the way to, not only in Kitutu, in South Mugrango, Bonchari, South Mugrango, Bobas, Nyaribari, and Machoge. Therefore, you will be all over. If you look at the stadium. This stadium, when we came in, it was in bad shape. We're trying to fix it. It falls under your docket and other many, other many fields in the county that must fix. I hope utakuja hapa, you'll be told, you'll hear, you have been given this position for only 2 years. Na sisi tumekuwa hapa siku nyingi. You'll hear that story from directors and other people here. Don't be coward, don't look back. We have not come to make love. We have come to work for our people, and that's all, period. Be it is 1 month or 2 months, we have come to serve our people. Kwa hivyo, my brother, karibu. Looking forward, and for sure, you know, because I want to bring the apologies of one of my CEC, who is holding brief in that office. Eric Mobegi is the one, Eric Miyenda, who is the CEC Education, issuing bursaries, forms. I'd actually to call the County Secretary to come from South Mugrango to make sure this functions, because he's the one in charge of the government and its business. Therefore, why we don't see many people around is because they are all over. I'm sure they are being rained on as they're giving out bursary forms. Therefore, allow me to say this before I turn to Ekegusi. There are people, there is somebody who was holding that position of yours. I believe that you will not be a tenderpreneur because you have come in, or the kiss is known. You know, biashara. No, they'll always think, as long as arega ameingia kuna pesa, hakuna pesa, hapa ni kufanya kazi. We want our people to be served. Number two, we have not given you this position as a umagetutu. We have given you this position because we believe you will be able to be a new force in my government. However, I call upon you to really help me deliver my manifesto. Mheshimiwa Otachi spoke of Tinga, and I'm happy, Father, you are here. You'll go in between, making sure we have a solution. Otachi, Mheshimiwa, thank you. Momroyo, actually, in the earlier, you would have gotten the office. Mapema, aliniambia juu yako, aliniambia leta huyu mtu nifanya kazi sana. Kaambia, relax, wacha kwanza nijue huyu ambaye tulikuwa na yeye anafanya nini. Huyu alipofika hapa akapiga pautani. Anakuja na radio calls na vitu za kurecord hata kwa mkutano yangu. Then they lied to one of my loyalists. Na huyu jamaa akawa impeached because of that person that I had given an office. Kwa hivyo nitauliza ya Otachi, Mheshimiwa, you, thank you for giving me again this gentleman. Umroyo Otachi ne rongete alege. Ungasire sana. I want the no colleagues ngamdetiga apply, and through the words Mheshimiwa Marani amesema walifanya interview, huyu jamaa alifanya kazi nzuri. Mwisho nikubalie niseme this before I turn to Ekegusi. The politics of the country, because I've seen many attacks to the Secretary General of ODM, Senator Sifuna. All of you know that Senator Sifuna is the Secretary General of ODM, is the official spokesperson of the party. I want to call upon all those other people outside there who are making noise. Leave Senator Sifuna alone. He speaks the mind of the party. This is important to know. He speaks the mind of the party. And we are not yet there. We'll give a position. I know therefore that those ones who believe that Baba is going to AU, now they want to misbehave. They want to become sellouts, tumbocrats. Relax, guys. We are in charge. The party is strong. Yes, we are working with the national government of Mheshimiwa William Ruto, but I want to tell you, our spokesperson who speaks what we stand for, who speaks the thinking of the party, is Senator Sifuna, who is a Secretary General. Is the only person who is authorized to talk on behalf of the party. We will give direction in the near future because we are meeting just to call people to order. We are supporting the national government through the people we gave Mheshimiwa William Ruto. And I want to repeat, we are not in government. We have only sent people we call expertise to government to help to establish or to make sure the government of Mheshimiwa William Ruto delivers. Any other good citizen would want the government of the day to deliver. And exactly we are those responsible citizens who want to see our country moving forward. If we have an issue with Ruto, we'll have it in 2027. For now, let us pray for him. Let us pray for him. God give him good health. He delivers to his mandate. Therefore, we'll charge him at the time of the ballot. Nganchire nkuwa nebinte byeke kusini. Dr. Rege ntaito watebanga karibu. Be a team player, ne team yane ende HCC kianda. Wono I know you're coming. Mosisi yonde naro lengororo na agendanka esechi sababu chiricha mwiretenga. Nima yadabantu babwato obwoba abuboge tutu. Na wajete nyuwete baansire bajete okwana ngato basa komuboli kerugeke. Esenge njo bamanyete nga ikiana akoigule. Tinda akoragas na kunga nore forthright. County ma boibi ntunzwanje tiboibi. Oboibi na bwaga irabantu bande bachirenga. Abantu aboroje bayisaransiga abandi nabatakeye ko ngaki ebaje lero abantu nga ingosoka ndi kurganyo anemi yo kakole no na mabe. Kose na bere manya okuna ko kolengereri yani abantu boita barabatakeye ko nande nto wonjo kantwe toko yo mushahara n'abantu aba na ntwansi kubayibira ebasari twaingo kwana abantu namonyerero abantu basogete kiri bisana toko ena na chi form eliwe ya mona 300 na kyogote ibali batanyoleti igono koro kinga kyobo takabwa korek bwachira sabantu. Daktari, you'll help me onkonye tosukumere gurumwe oyimo. I'm happy. This gentleman called Hoffman. Whatever nga konyora bantu bali bakumutumia. Eba mutiga kitaya igolo. Nero ro rigas ntogendret. Was na whatever my brother. Yes. Konyorete ko denga banta be bagutumia mpaka chi contract. Dere contractor secretary ya chi contract okwanire gaiga konyona bakumutumia. Lakini kwenye watu waliringa kitoko wake keboko Hoffman yobo montombia lakini nyasaye oboko ni na watu waengoja ko wake keboko lakini nyasaye nombia ndai dote baiga intunega asta to kolera bantu baitu abana basome kipara moko bugolera kinye nigo cyiciro boseli toke kirosigwe kiciro cyito kirosigwe kinyagitari cyito kibe moyo ekiyuka na turanyare gukora gasi abantu baitu. God Daktari, we have called you ntubwate myake mengi teatro sigesa kugeito bon amangana amabe amanga akolekane lakini esibono ntagetense ngaki tokole egasi togendere mutu kipara njigende tokoroso abantu badenga simba bwate kibilioni 3 nenus kire Nairobi kiraire tiganda ababoli onyenta abwate kibesa kire Nairobi kanga kipara nkoroso kiribona contractor tayo urata kiyo kolega asiabusa lazima amanye ebesa nero awakan amanye okolega amapi kire word at least umweshimo mbajo tebrega chipara ikomi na rosi boy na ande chinde na enani chiwodi chonspi chipara nkorosi kuchire chinyagitari cheito na nkugamba nere ngomdenga chinyagitari cheito especially level 4 Jones ntegete ndorenga kinkubeka no milioni 50 chinyagitari chibeto chirosi kibe moyo abantu barwari nato kwana bona iga KTRH cheito gaiga eichire 700 HDU eichire ICU eichire igoras machinyagitari cheito level 4 chibe moyo esengenjo twice aransa bagaturama igure nyaktari ye lakini twanenga ya rama lazima abayibara batame kuruma na twabatamiri kuruma mbaroba ke batigalime nko baliginde ne toji wasibona mudai mbati enyakitali ye abantu baminto ya ngo sangerera milioni 47 mitinyi 3 lero tigatingwa na rolire the CEO abantu de bade one south na south bade bada abantu aba mrao biashara binde mbio ebali getwe sokorama si social media ngo badenga mangana yogo supply mbeo ta kobese county ya Kisii aba mraba kanyo mwakolere gasi likwa mokolera abantu bete gasi chichiro mheshimiwa Obachi echiro ya Marani elitwe igolete ntagete torose ebe operationalize boro ekonya ba Stanbic eseme saada batoire ajiri abana bali murochali abana bai
kumanyi ba kangane engana yokere nyoro akibo desire wanje baregenyi abana bali kusoma leo na vocational training teach chose to make sure to make experience ndai masana mwezi imagine na umuntu kwenye rata achema umuntu sensi ataruro aikema você mara tunaelezea turai tulio konvio okay tulekene kwa koro amana ba kore form 4 na mande ba kire school njira bagende bakone ingasi online weka asaji program. And I want to thank the MCAs of Kitutu no, because the other MCAs they are done South Rango Akoremo Welma Lu. Thank you. Thank you. Ma also no. Ba. Monite que sea Welma Lu. Mari. Do a good place. Ele não vai saber. Ele não vai ter que vai mais. I want to challenge me. I'm ready for a point of computer. We in the room. I'm not right. And I'm not going for you. I'll fix it my way. My daughter and I go to some kind of who have to be there. General man. Na banca vale correto fixi abana aba por fofo banhole que o dio auto pregas omen there is one of our partners through health what no this morning we are signing an MOU and is giving 10 million 10 shillings towards health, and we are here. I want to thank you, my brother. This gentleman, nikimalizia umeshika moja inaitwa Kibos International. Hawa ni wangwana kutoka Canada. From Canada, which countries? Australia, Japan, and Singapore. Tulikuwa na wao hapa, walikuja tukakubaliana na wao, tumesign MOU, wanafaa kuja to the country na some machines ambazo zitakuwa zinasaidia wagonjwa wetu. Lakini Kibos ilitumia mashine moja inaitwa lung bypass machine ambayo being cleared at KKN ambayo itakuja katika level 5 hapo. kusaidiana. Pia vile vile tumekubaliana na wanaungana kutoka UK, that's in Manchester University, wanakuja kufundisha. Tume-identify watu wetu 60 ambao watadili na mambo ya emergency na ambulance hapa. Mwakani natarajia kwamba natapata pesa, nataka nione kama atazanunua, nataka niseme, nataka nione kama nitanunua ambulance, at least kila sub-county ikuwe na ambulance moja. Kwa hivyo vianzane, hii eneo lazima litakuwa lina mambo ya kutibu magonjwa, kwa sababu hatuna shamba limebaki ni Gongo peke yake. Kwa hivyo huku na sisi tutakuwa na kama tourist site ya mambo ya health. Nasikitika sana kusema kwamba kuna mtu amepewa kazi pale Cancer Center na serikali kuu. Huyu mtu amekataa kufanya kazi, amepewa milioni 200 kando na bilioni 3 ambazo amepewa. Kwa hivyo tunangojea tuone kama huyo mtu kufikia mwezi ujao, ili Februari tuingia kesho kutwa, huyo mtu amepewa mpaka tarehe 7. Tunataka tuone kama ataondoka, mtu mwingine apewe kama hawezi kufanya kazi. Kwa hivyo nataka niwachie hapo au mwani simoja ya mwani usioka au mwani usiende mwani kwa kaka mwani ya hawa ndio na wewe kwa wakati lazima uwe sikwe. Sasa wewe hivyo ndio